Hi, I'm Katie Youngman, and I'm going to start by telling you a little bit about myself. So, I love to read. One of my favorite books is Jane Eyre, and I'm in my fourth reading of it. I read it 4 times. And I really love school, and I really love learning. One of my favorite classes is psychology this year. I really like it because you study the brain and get to learn how it works. And you get to learn about different things that you wouldn't necessarily study in different kinds of sciences. When I was a sophomore, I really liked the English classes I took, and when I was a freshman, I liked biology and health and classes like that. So I really like school, and it's something I enjoy at being a student. Also, I really like going on service trips and helping others in the community. One service trip I went on was a trip to Houston. This is my shirt from the trip, and it says, "Be the church, his hands and his feet." And so we went to help with hurricane relief, and it was really important that we were the church, and we took initiative to be leaders in the church and do things for other people. And that is just part of serving the church. So, yeah.
What are some reasons you are interested in becoming a member of the next chapter of NHS?
So, some reasons that I want to become a member of NHS are that I think that through becoming a member of NHS, I can influence other people to serve the community, and I think that we can all help each other to just be part of a group of people who wants to serve God and his kingdom and help the community and do things that we wouldn't necessarily get to do if we weren't all involved in this together.
So what are some of your leadership qualities?
So I think that I have shown leadership through different things in my church, maybe even at school. I like to help take care of my siblings at home, and I think that I can show leadership through that, through taking care of them or just being an example to them. Also, I sing in the church choir, and although the choir is composed of mostly older people, I really enjoy singing in the choir, so I sing in it anyway, and I think that I can be an encouragement to other people to be involved in these kind of activities, even though maybe they might not be comfortable with it, or it might be different for them. I think it's really important to step out of your comfort zone and be involved in your church. Also, I like to answer questions and share my ideas in class or in my catechism class. I think this is super valuable if you're taking any kind of class or being part of a discussion group, because I think that your ideas can really influence other people, and when you start talking about things, then other people can start talking about things, and you can just share your ideas and learn from each other.
Why is service to others important to you?
So I think that service is super important to me mostly because God calls us to it in the Bible, and that really makes me feel that that's a very important part of my life, and it should be part of our life as Christians, because I think that as Christians, God calls us to go and make disciples, and that's part of it, and we can use serving others to bring others to Christ, because they can see him shining through us, and just by helping them, they can be led to God. And I think that that's a super exciting thing to be able to do in people's lives, to be able to share the gospel with them through serving them.
And what would you like to accomplish as an NHS member?
I think that as an NHS member, I could definitely become involved in even more opportunities to lead and serve other people, and I think that it's just a great opportunity for me to exercise even more leadership qualities and just help others even more than I'm already.